Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Sterilite Drawers is probably one of the most versatile and affordable storage solutions available today, offering a simple yet effective way to organize your belongings and declutter your living space. Whether you're looking to tidy up a bedroom, a closet, a garage, or even a dorm room, these drawers provide a practical and accessible option for keeping your items neatly stored and easily retrievable. With their lightweight design and stackable capabilities, they adapt to various needs and spaces, making them a go-to choice for anyone seeking a straightforward approach to home organization. Number 5. HOMZ 3-Tier Rolling Drawer Tower. Tired of clutter? Discover the perfect solution to organize your belongings. This versatile cart fits seamlessly into any space, bringing order to your home or office. Maximize your space with this smart storage solution. Its compact design features 3 spacious drawers, perfect for keeping your essentials neatly tucked away. Need to move your storage? With its clear drawers and removable wheels, this cart offers flexibility and convenience. Store anything from toiletries to craft supplies with ease. Organize your life while caring for the planet. This cart is made from 90% recycled materials, making it a fantastic choice for both your home and the environment. From everyday clutter to specific storage needs, we have the perfect container for you. Let us help you transform your house into a perfectly organized HOMZ. What we like? If you need a versatile storage solution that can move with you, this is a great option. Its removable wheels offer flexibility for different spaces. If you're looking for something that's also eco-friendly, its construction from recycled materials makes it a responsible choice. What people say? The drawers slide smoothly and are easy to open and close. The unit is lightweight and easy to move around. The drawers are deep enough to hold a good amount of items. Number 4. Max Hauser 3-Drawer Fabric Dresser. Introducing the Max Hauser 3-Drawer Dresser, a stylish and functional addition to any room. Its sleek design offers ample storage without taking up too much space. Crafted with a sturdy metal frame and a solid wooden top, this unit is built for durability. You can rely on its robust construction for long-term use. Effortlessly move it around with its 360-degree rotating wheels, or lock it in place with the convenient wool paddles. The drawers glide smoothly with easy-to-use handles. This vertical storage unit is designed to be slim and lightweight, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Its 3 drawers provide ample room for organizing your essentials. Perfect for bedrooms, closets, or offices, it helps declutter your space by organizing clothes, toys, or household items. Its versatility makes it a must-have for any home. We stand behind our products. If you encounter any issues with your storage tower, please don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. What we like? For those prioritizing a blend of durability and style, this dresser tower is ideal. Its sturdy metal frame and lockable wheels provide stability and security. If you need a sleek organizer for smaller spaces that can be secured in place, this is the one to consider. What people say? The drawers slide smoothly and are easy to open and close. It's a good size for storing clothes, toys, or other household items. The unit is lightweight and easy to move around. Number 3. HOMZ 6-Tier Clear Plastic Drawer Tower. Tired of clutter? Discover the perfect solution to hide your belongings and bring order to any space. This organizer is designed to fit seamlessly into your home or office. Don't let limited space hold you back. This unit features 6 spacious drawers, offering ample storage without taking up too much room. Its smart design ensures everything has its place. Need to store toiletries, office supplies, or craft materials? These clear drawers are incredibly versatile, making it easy to see and access your items. It's the ideal solution for any room. Organize your life while caring for the planet. This product is made from 90% recycled materials, offering a fantastic way to keep your space tidy and be environmentally conscious. From chaos to calm, we provide the containers you need to declutter and organize. Let us help you make your house a HOMZ. What we like? If you have a lot of smaller items to organize and need maximum vertical storage, this is the perfect fit. Its 6 clear drawers allow for easy visibility of contents. If you appreciate efficient organization and eco-conscious design, this unit offers both. What people say? The drawers slide smoothly and are easy to open and close. This drawer unit is surprisingly sturdy and doesn't wobble, even when full. The clear drawers make it easy to see what's inside without having to open them. Number 2. Sterilite 4-Shelf Lockable Utility Storage Cabinet. Introducing a versatile storage solution designed to keep your belongings organized and secure. It offers ample space with adjustable shelves to fit your needs. Perfect for garages, basements, pantries, or laundry rooms, this unit helps declutter any space. It's designed for practical, everyday use throughout your home. Crafted with a durable, rugged design, it resists dents, chips, peeling, and rust. The adjustable shelves allow you to customize the interior for optimal organization. Set up your new storage cabinet in minutes with its easy, tool-free assembly. No complicated instructions, just quick and hassle-free setup. This cabinet accommodates a standard-sized padlock, providing an extra layer of security for your stored items. Each shelf supports up to 40 pounds. Proudly made in the USA since 1939, this product is also BPA and phthalate-free. You can trust in its quality and safety for your home. What we like? When security and robust storage are paramount, this cabinet is your best bet. Its lockable feature makes it ideal for garages or utility areas. If you need a heavy-duty, customizable storage solution that can withstand demanding environments, this is the product for you. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly and are easy to open and close. The unit is lightweight and easy to move around. It's a good size for storing small items like craft supplies or office supplies. Number 1. YITAHOME 4-Drawer Dresser. Introducing our new dresser, built with a reliable metal frame and a durable wooden top. It features 4 removable drawers with easy pull handles for convenient access. The outer and inner material is made from a sleek, breathable non-woven synthetic fabric. Maintenance is simple, just wipe clean with a damp cloth and let it air dry. Assembly is a breeze with detailed instructions and an installation video. All necessary hardware is included, so you'll be set up in no time. Its modern design with a white metal frame and wooden tabletop complements any living space. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, hallways, and even nurseries. With 4 deep drawers, it offers ample storage to keep your living space neat and tidy. Enjoy generous room for all your belongings. It also comes with 4 adjustable plastic feet to protect your floor from scratches. We also recommend fixing it to the wall for added stability. What we like? This organizer is perfect for anyone seeking a stylish and spacious solution for everyday items. Its 4 deep drawers offer ample capacity for clothes or accessories. If you appreciate a clean, modern aesthetic and need a stable unit that protects your floors, this dresser is an excellent choice. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly and are easy to open and close. It's a good size for storing clothes, toys, or other household items. The unit is lightweight and easy to move around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.